Hi. Thank you for checking out my listing. Please feel free to reach out to me at 317-445-5796 if you have any further questions or would like to schedule a showing. I look forward to hearing from you. Practically a brand new home. Seller has installed LP SmartSide siding and trim, one of the most durable and maintenance-free exteriors on the market. Home features all new vinyl windows, new interior and exterior doors, granite countertops in kitchen and all 3 bathrooms, tile shower stalls, new toilets, luxury waterproof vinyl plank flooring, carpet, paint, brand new 4-piece appliance package with gas range and so much more. Fully finished basement with 9 feet ceilings, theater room, all equipment stays, family room, bedroom and home office, has a window and closet so could be 5th bedroom. Covered back patio with outdoor kitchen overlooking the fantastic double lot totaling 1.375 acres. Close to all amenities that Danville has to offer.